Abia na Igbo, ndị na-akpa agwa ka ndị Fulani ha rọ ndị Ebonyi State. Ibe isi anaghị ara ha.
Ebonyians are not the Fulani of Igbo land. And you wonder Ebonyi State, and you love Fulani in Igbo. You cannot attribute us to Fulani. Do you know what you are saying? Do you know who Fulanis are? Those ones don't even have human conscience. They don't have human sympathy for their fellow human beings. And you are attributing us to Fulani. Please, Nonso Nkwa, you have to make an apology on that video that you did, calling Ebonyians the Fulani of Igbo land. This is not what we think. In fact, with the respect we have for you as a media personnel, I think you should do better. You go see your channel of Fuma. Before you wake up, we will only Ebonyi State. Yeah, just because of the incident in yes, a crisis in Ebonyi State, and it is community against community, not the whole of Ebonyians, but community, which is normal thing everywhere. And then we crisis in Anambra State, we crisis. So Gaguleri, Nandu Elgumuleri, Nanda Aguleri, and we issue. In Imo State, the same thing happened. There are villages that have crisis. In Enugu State, the same thing. Every part of this country, and then we crisis. So you can't just use because of this one. You condemn the whole of Ebonyians, or you attribute us to be like the Fulanis or being the Fulanis of Igbo land. It's not done anywhere. Nonso Nkwa, I respect you so much, and I'm doing this video to make sure that I clarify what you say. We are not the Fulanis of Igbo land. We are Ebonyians. We are peace-loving people, and we know what we can do. In terms of fight, there are crises everywhere. There are fights, and you know when something happens, when there are community clash, there are casualties. Yes, you have casualties. So not because of this thing that happened, you now have to give that attribution to all the Ebonyians. It's not very nice. Honestly, you have to take it down. Take those words back. I'm telling you the fact. You can't do that. You can't do that. We have suffered a lot. We Ebonyians, we have suffered a lot. You know that there are some towns in Anambra State at this stands now. If you are from Ebonyi State, they won't give you a house. Now you are now also increasing, fueling that hatred against Ebonyi State. It's not very nice. Honestly, it's not nice. It's not good. Because this word you just made, even you could your own point of view, they will not take it off from there. Nonso Nkwa, take those words back. Take those words back against Ebonyians, because I will not watch you criticize and diminish our name. Ike kwunulo okwu ọma ebe ndị Ebonyi State nọ ba anwe pụta gosi na ndị Ebonyi State na-eme otu a na-eme otu a. Ị na-akpa ndị Fulani ndị Igbo, kedu onye kọrọ ụdị aka ahụ? Kedu ebe ụdị ibe anwa na-eme? Mmadụ izie ozu anwụ ya lasịa mba. And please guys, you all know how it always happens. If you have anything to say about what this guy said in the comment section, please, I want you to say it in the comment section right now. This is not going to happen. And we are not going to sit down and watch people all over the world criticizing